Hey guys.
Hey guys, we just got done not watching. We just got done drawing Dogman from the Dogman series. This is mine. This is Noah's.
My name's Dogman.
I actually love how Noah did the buildings way in the background and they're smaller. It's actually pretty impressive. So we're going to show you how we did it. Let's jump into it. Okay, everybody. Today we are drawing. Do you know what we're drawing?
Dogman.
Dogman from the Dogman series, and they're coming out with the Dogman movie. It might already be out, actually.
What?
Yeah, we should go see it. Okay, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
So here's Dogman. I grew up on reading Captain Underpants. And Captain Underpants and Dogman, I think, are from the same author. Kind of crazy. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
So in order to draw Dogman, we're going to start here, kind of at the top of the page. His head's going to be here. We're drawing it up here a little bit so that we have room for his body down here. Okay, Noah? Ready? Got your Sharpie? Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start in the top of the page, in the middle. See how we're in the middle?
Right here?
Mm-hmm. But a little bit more to the side this way, because we're going to go
Right
around.
here?
Yep. So we're going to draw a big bump like this.
You mean an arch?
Yeah, an arch. Okay.
Backwards?
Yep. Nice. Okay, and this is going to curve all the way under and come out like this. Just like that. Yep. There you go. And then here, where we started the arch, we're just going to come straight across. Straight line.
It looks like a bathtub.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a bathtub, or from The Mandalorian, Grogu's like floating
Oh yeah.
stroller. I don't know what you want to call it.
I
Carriage.
feel like a floating.
Yeah. Okay, now right here we're going to draw a little nose. Okay? A little teeny circle.
I don't know. You guys saw the.
Perfect. Perfect. You're already drawing it in. Okay? Okay, we usually draw a little circle on the inside to make a shine. How they do it is they kind of draw a little, looks like a little macaroni almost. And you color in the rest other than that little macaroni. But you could do however you want. See? It's a little shine right there. Okay, next what we're going to do, we're going to draw his hat. And his hat's super easy. You start in the back of his head. Okay? You come up, over, down. And I don't connect it quite yet. I just leave it kind of...
That looks like a room service hat.
Yeah. So I didn't connect it right here just yet because I want to leave room for his brim of his hat. So I make a little line like this. I go straight over and straight back. That's his little brim of his hat. And similar to the little macaroni in his nose, to do the shine, since the brim of his hat is also black and shiny, we're just going to draw a line like this at the top. Like that. And that's going to be the little shine, and we're going to color in the rest. Nice. Okay. And the top of his hat has a badge, like a police badge in there. So we're going to, kind of looks like a flower.
Yeah, I know.
From the old Mario games. You know, like the little flower power? The newer flower powers are like a circle, but the older ones, I think Mario 3 had a little crown like this. So let's try it. So we do a little U, and then we go down, up, down, up.
Down, up, down, up.
Nice. I love it. And his eyes are super simple. They're just two lines, like this.
I guess mine is a bigger dog man.
Yeah.
Giant dog man.
Okay, and now his ears are also super simple. They're just two little bumps that come out of the back of his head, like this. Bump. Bump. Nice. Okay, and then he has a big smile that starts from like behind his eyeball. So it doesn't start in front of his eyeball, it starts in back of his eyeball. So it'll start kind of back here. But it's a smile that goes from the back all the way to the front of his mouth. Okay, good job. Okay, and he has like little whiskers right underneath here like this.
I know how you do that.
Nice. Now his body
Bear.
is super simple. It's
A
similar. It's similar to his hat. His hat went up like that, like a big square. His body goes down like a big square, like this. Boop, burp, burp.
Burp, burp, burp.
And then we're gonna draw the same badge that's on his hat right here in the middle of his shirt. Big U. Zigzag, zigzag.
Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag.
Nice. And then for his legs, like that, for one leg, for another leg. Nice. And then at the bottom of his leg, we're going to do his shoes. They're just two little bumps, ovals. Like that.
Try on Dogman.
Big old feet. Okay, and now he's gonna have his hands on his hips, kind of like this. So we're gonna draw his shoulder up here. See where his shirt meets his head right here, this little corner? That's where his shoulder is gonna be. So we're gonna go out, in. And then on the other hand, we're gonna do the same thing. In this corner here, out, in.
Out. In.
Okay, and then three little bumps for his fingers. Bump, bump, bump. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Bump,
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 bump.
bump.
Okay, and then we'll do a little triangle to show the space in between his arm and his shirt. Triangle, like that. Same thing here. Triangle, like that. Nice. And then separate his hand from his shirt. Nice. And there's our Dogman. Oh, finishing touch. Ready? Dot, dot, dot.
Oh yeah. Dot, dot, dot.
Nice.
Those Dogman.
Those are his little those are his little whiskers. Yep.
Giant Dogman.
Giant Dogman complete.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's color him in. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. There's our Dogman, the finished product. We hope you guys like it. Give a thumbs up. And we'll see you and we'll see you next time.
I like being funny.